Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how you can go live on TikTok using your PC. So first thing first, what you have to do is you have to launch your PC and then on the browser type in tiktok.com/live. Make sure that you have at least 1,000 followers or more than that in order to go live. If you have less than that, you will not be able to go live. Once you have enough followers, you will see a page like this. If you are not logged into your account, get logged into your account. And then from your left hand side, you will see Go Live button, which says Open Live Studio. Click onto it. And likewise, you have to first give access. Now, in order to go live, there are also another things that you need. That is apply for access, which is already approved. Another is you have to install Live Studio. So select download. Select download again. And now you can see that I have just downloaded my Live Studio. Then you have to launch it. Now as you do that, select install now. And now once the installation has been completed, open it. And when you launch it, it will ask you log in to begin. Click onto it, get logged into your account, and then you can go live from there. Thank you for watching.